Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leek with all things LiqueTheNailGeek. Today we're doing a little something different. We're doing a Macys denim haul. So it's fall, about to be winter, time to get my jean game up. Okay, so let's see what I got. I love opening these packages, right? Package one, we got red denim, yes. White denim, okay. Macys, and we got a coupon, okay. Love my coupon. Package number two. This one is denim as well. I got all of these are juniors, size 13. This one is not in a bag. I don't know how I feel about that, but it is what it is. Material is good. And last package. Alright, Macys, okay. Oh, this is not the same packaging. Plastic, it's a different plastic, but we got black and black. I got light blue. All right, so I'm going to open these up. This one's already open. See the stretch in that, young? So these are all juniors, all size 13. I'm a size 13 in juniors. This is high rise. And so they might be a little long because they didn't have really short. So this is 1331. It's the size of this one. And they're all skinny leg. The white. This is a size 13 as well. 1331. Let's see if they stretch. Stretching is important for me. And these have, as you see, the distressed design. Been looking for a pair of white jeans that does that. So, we're gonna open them next. Let's see the red. They're getting in the way. Ooh, you guys, okay, so I was wondering about the color. The rinse denim. It's not really denim. It's like a soft material. I'm loving it. And of course they stretch. Now that, look, you know what I mean? I'm a thick girl. So stretch is important to me when it comes to my jeans. So, you know, gotta make sure it fits the curves and I'm not showing anything as I, you know, stoop or bend over, whatever. So this is the red jeans, or they call them pants. They say jeans. I got these, they say small, it says 31. We'll see. But they're 13. And then, I don't want to put those on the white. Then we got the black. And these are like the red ones. So the material, in fact, I don't even think these are the ones I bought. They sent me the wrong thing. Macys. Macys. But, you know, they're kind of cute. This is why you should check it before you order it. I actually ordered some ripped jeans, but these are more like cargo pants. This is definitely not what I ordered. So this is not even the same brand of what I ordered. What were they thinking? So here's these pants, which is not the pants I ordered. I actually show y'all what I ordered. That's what I ordered. This is not it, okay? A little upset about that. Come on now, Macys. And then the last pair. Look at that stretch. And these also say 31 small. And I did the small because I'm petite. But usually a small means like 29 or 28. 13 is the, let's say short. See, small, short. Yeah, see that? I don't know if they focus. I don't think that's short for 31. But we will see. Y'all, I'm really upset about these. Where's my phone? I'm upset about this. This isn't even the brand. And this is a size 8. Look at this. I don't know if y'all. Let me get it close. Maybe y'all. You see? Y'all see this, right? Y'all see that? Right. Size 31. You see that? Look what they sent me. Dear Macys, we got a problem. I'm just gonna go ahead and try on my other jeans, and I'm about to conversate with Macys about sending the wrong item. Not okay. Wrong size, wrong item. Y'all messed up. So let's try these other jeans on. Okay. Not gonna mess up my spirit.
Thank you for calling Macys. This call may be monitored or recorded.
Okay, I just wanted to put a little, let you guys know what's going on. So I called about these pants. I'm not even gonna try them on because obviously they messed up. Yes, they sent me, this is what they were supposed to send me to show you how they tagged it wrong. This is the Celebrity Fit ripped ankle jeans. Size 13. You see that? Right? And they're supposed to be black jeans, right? But these are Style & Co. size 8 pants. So obviously somebody messed up. Somebody wasn't on their job today. Or that day. They even tagged them wrong. These are not even jeans, they're pants. So, I spoke to someone. They're going to give me, in the next 30 minutes to an hour, I'm going to receive, oh, look at that, I already got it. I'm going to receive a tracking label, a return label to return these. And then I'm going to get a tracking next day or 2 days, they said, for the actual jeans that I showed you guys that I ordered. So we're going to be, I'm going to put that at the end of this. But let's go ahead and try on these. Sorry, I'm trying to put it back in the bag. I always return stuff back the way I received it. Fighting with this bag. There we go. Okay. Let's try on the other stuff, okay? So these red jeans, I give a 10 out of 10. They feel comfortable, and even if they're not too short, they're not too long, so I don't have to hem them. Same thing goes with all of these pants. Technically, love this denim here. Stretchy, comfortable, 10 out of 10. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Love the distressed denim. These white jeans are definitely doing it. And they're high-waist. Check that out now. High-waist. And comfortable. Very comfortable. Look at the distress. Look, I had to show you. I love that. Love it. Look. And then these are also high-waist as well. And these are comfortable as well. Can't wait to try the black ones. Love these. Okay. Woo. Okay, y'all. They fit. They fit. Yay! So I'm not returning anything else. So anyway, we're back. It arrived about 3 days later, so not too bad. I'm waiting to get it fixed. I have not returned the other pants yet. I have actually a month to return them, which I guess that's a good thing for the return policy. Did have a hiccup. I had to call customer service. I think I called 3 times. First time, they only sent me a return label. Second time, they processed the return and sent out the actual item. At least that's what I'm hoping is in this bag. It's the correct item. They did it for 2 pair of jeans instead of 1. So I'm supposed to return 2 items, and they sent me 2 items, supposedly. So we're about to see what's going on in this bag. I called the 3rd time to figure out why they did the return for 2 instead of for 1. And then I asked for a supervisor. The guy didn't want to give me a supervisor. I was on hold for 30 minutes. And I just hung up. I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to see what they sent, because I don't want nothing else to get screwed up. So Macys needs to work on that, for sure. But anyway, let's get into this. And what do we have? We have 2 pair of jeans. Why? So they sent the same. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna open this to try this on. Not that it would be a different fit, because literally they got that order right. So I don't know why they even sent it again. They sent it again. I don't know. Let's make sure that the item that should be right is correct. Uh-oh. It's looking like it is. Who's excited? So black denim is hard to come by. And then it's this dress. Yay! Look at that. Woo-hoo. Oh, sorry y'all. My watch is gonna look crazy. Yes, finally. And these are the mid-rise. As you guys know, when I said earlier, I do love previous days. I do like the mid-rise. So let's see. Now you get these in a size 13. Let's check that stretch. We might have a solution. This might work. Okay, I don't know what that was. Sorry. But size 13, and it's 1331. 31 is the inseam. Ready. I'm sorry. I just pulled my hair and everything. Look, I'm gonna try these on because I'm excited. Okay. And that's true black. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know if it's coming up true. It's not giving me justice. Black on black, if you can see. Maybe black on the white. Look. Let's try these on. Y'all. I don't see the point in trying this on. Cause I already got this. Let's open it for the fun of it. And then I'm gonna compare it. Cause it looks like it's the same. Maybe this part is different. You see that? Y'all see that? Let me go get the other pair. Okay? 1 second. I was tripping. It's the exact same. I'm gonna send these back. I don't need 2 pair of the same color jeans. Y'all got a spending problem too. So in my mind, I'm saying send them back because it's better for me. But the other part of my brain is like, keep them. Just let them charge me. I ain't gonna do it. Nope, I'm sending them back. I'm sending them back because I don't need 2 pair of the same jeans. I like to try them on. Finally, yes, got the black jeans, comfortable, love them, perfect fit. Yes, 10 out of 10. I am happy, yay! I don't know what that is either. So, again, thank y'all for watching. Thumbs up this video, okay? Share it, you know? Thumbs it up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel. And until next time, bye.